In the world of finance and business, checks and balances are the guardrails that keep money safe and reporting accurate. Let's look at how they work. At its heart, this concept is about oversight. It ensures that no single person has total control over a company's financial life cycle. Did you know that the vast majority of financial fraud cases occur because one person had too much influence over both the spending and the reporting? To manage this, businesses use three main pillars: separating duties, requiring dual signatures, and bringing in independent auditors to verify the work. Compare this to a weak system where one person holds all the keys. A strong system forces transparency through rotation and digital logs. The data is clear. Companies with robust checks and balances detect potential issues months or even years faster than those without them. Remember the golden rule of finance: trust is good, but verification is always better. Never rely on one person's word alone. Whether you are running a business or managing personal accounts, keep these checks in mind. Subscribe for more money basics and stay protected.